Let's make the all dark, all stormy. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make the all dark, all stormy. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Alien Earth is a science fiction horror TV series based in the Alien franchise. If you're not familiar with the franchise, familiar yourself with the franchise, unless you're really not into science fiction and or horror. In any case, I saw that Alien Earth was doing a cross-promotion with Kraken Rum. I'm a fan of the Alien franchise, I'm a fan of the Kraken Rum, so when I saw they were doing a collab to create some cocktails, I said, yeah, I gotta make those cocktails. And All Dark, All Stormy is one of those cocktails. And you're gonna say, oh wait, isn't it a variant on the Dark and Stormy? Kind of. The Dark and Stormy is a proprietary cocktail trademarked by Gosling's Rum. And it has two ingredients. It has ginger beer and it has Gosling's Rum. What it does not have is lime juice. Once you add the lime juice, then suddenly it becomes something called a Jamaican mule or a rum mule. So it is kind of a variant of the Dark and Stormy from Gosling's, but it is also a version of the Jamaican mule, the rum mule. More technically, that's what it is. In any case, I'll have links to all those videos down below if you want to check them out. So Safe Harbor, Gosling's Dark and Stormy, and the Jamaican mule. Check them out if you want more of the history. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the all dark, all stormy, you really kind of have to use the Kraken black spiced rum. You can make this cocktail without using the Kraken, however, then it's not the official dark, all stormy. To make this drink, we are going to start by filling our glass with ice, and the official glass is a Collins glass. Now I'm going to add 3 ounces of ginger beer. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. Check my math. Now I am going to shake the other 3 ingredients. The first is going to be 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Oh, close to the end. Oh, yeah, perfect. 2 ounces of the Kraken black spiced rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And I put my fingers through those holes. Get them out. Okay. And the final ingredient is activated charcoal. I've never used this in a drink before. I didn't know it come in a very inconvenient Ziploc baggie. So get food grade activated charcoal. There are other grades out there. I need 1/4 of a teaspoon of this. There's going to be black everywhere, isn't there? 1/4 teaspoon is 1.25 milliliters, and that goes in the shaker as well. Carefully zip that up. I was going to squeeze the air out, but I don't want to blow black everywhere. Okay, I'm going to set that right there. Now I need to get some more ice. Ice gotten, I'm going to add that to my shaker. Seal it up and give it a shake. Now I'm going to slowly pour this into my Collins glass, and I think you can do something with a spoon. Can I try this? Let's see how this works. The goal is to have this float on the top. Oh. Clearly I need to practice a little bit more. I mean, we're getting a nice layer effect. Very clear layer. Let's set all this aside. Oh. And garnish. Garnish is a dehydrated lime wheel, which I did cut a little wedge in that so I could get that on there, and a dusting of purple edible glitter. I don't know how I can get to just a dusting of that up. Ooh, that's kind of a dusting. It's a little dusting on my cooking board, my cutting board. Let's dust it a little bit more. That's a little bit more than dusted. But anyway, this activated charcoal and the dehydrated lime wheels and the purple glitter I did get on Amazon. Links are down below. They are affiliate links, so if you want them, you can click on those links. I'll get a little kickback from Amazon. It shouldn't cost you anything more. What you're really doing is taking money from them and giving it to me. But enough of that. That's it. I kind of want to mess up that glitter. This is the All Dark, All Stormy. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, have you ever used activated charcoal before? If so, what did you use it in? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. Check out the links down below. There's social media links down there. Follow me on any of those. And while you're at the social media link, contact me if you want a t-shirt. You can have a t-shirt. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.